Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to take some big baggy jeans and turn them into perfect mom jeans. We're going to take these super big, super loose. I just got these from the thrift store. I think I got them for like $3 or something. I don't know. But we want to turn them into perfect mom jeans. Because you know, everybody, that's like the style now, the trend or whatever. So we gotta keep up with the style and the trends. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna turn these into beautiful mom jeans. All right, now, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we just gotta set up your ratchet sewing station. I'm running out of needles. Is it hot in here or is it just me? Okay, so now that I look slightly like a ninja, let's get on started. Actually, just kidding. We gotta thread this puppy. Oh no, my battery's dying. Fudge. Oh my god. Ah, there we go. The more you lick your thread, the easier it is to put through. Alright, back to business. First things first. If the jeans are a little too big on your waist, like mine are, you want to add darts in the back to cinch in the waist and, you know, get a good snatch. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna want to turn them inside out and lay them nice and flat. Okay, so I already know that I want to take mine in. I'm gonna do 1 inch darts on each side, and I want them to be tighter to the top and not as tight on the bum. So okay, so this is what it looks like now. I just pinned them down, and I really like to make sure that this line right here, like the line right above the pockets and below the waistband, lines up right here, because when you're done it makes it look cleaner. But sometimes it's a little hard to do because this will be longer on one side and this will be lower on one side, or this will be higher on one side and this will be lower on one side, so it doesn't really line up and then it kind of bunches here. But I just kind of like do my best to sew that because it'll look weird if like this is up here and this one is down there, if that makes any sense. So this is what this looks like, and I'm probably not gonna sew all the way down to here, but I just did it like that. So let's get on a sewing. Actually, I might, just kidding, not yet, don't do that. I'm gonna add the other dart here first and then I'll sew them both at the same time. So yeah. Ow. Oh my god, I literally... So I started with a back stitch because, you know, sewing etiquette, you always start with the back stitch. And then we're gonna get a boogieing. Ending with a back stitch, obviously. And Denzo. Closing up shop. Just kidding, just for now. Okay, so both of the darts are sewn. The pockets are a little baggy, but I'm gonna try this on and make sure that this fits. So yeah. Okay, so I would say it's pretty darn perfect. As you can see, the pockets are a little floppy, but we'll fix that. But I think pretty darn good. If anything, I think I left a little bit of room, but that's good. So you know when you eat some like tacos or something, you got room to breathe. So Alright, so now what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna pin the pockets down and sew them flat so we don't have like big poofy back pockets, you know? Unless you like that, then keep them. You do you. But I'm just gonna sew as close as I can to that edge right there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other pocket. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so these are what they look like. I didn't want to push my non-denim needle, so I didn't sew that because it's super thick. So I'm just going to go in with a needle and thread and sew that with my hand later. But you can hardly tell, but that's what it looks like. You just kind of put it on the edge. And once this is sewn down, it's really hard to tell. But yeah, maybe I'll try it on and show you my bum. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Obviously the little thing at the end makes them still poof. So I'll go sew that in a little. I'm just not gonna do that right now. It's kind of lazy. So it kind of just still pokes out. But that's how they look so far. They fit my waist now. So waist, check. Now we have to tackle the thick legs. And let's see. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pin them back. I'm not gonna make them super tight because I still want them to have like the mom jean relaxed kind of fit kind of thing. Ooh, those are my pants. And yeah, so I think I might just pin some of this back and then, yeah. Fajita chicken break. Delicious. Okay, so this is what I came up with while I was eating my fajita chicken. And then I was like, idiot, I can't do that because I have to turn these inside out and then do this because when I sew it, you don't want the fraying part where I'm going to cut it to be on the outside. So I think I'm just going to it's like half an inch, then like an inch, right, like high mid-calf. And then it's like maybe an inch and a half down by my ankle. So I still want them to be loose, but we'll see how this goes. Yeah. Okay, so I just turn them inside out now so that I can leave the pins in and sew it like that. But I put pins along this edge. And it's looking pretty good. I think I'll just sew along that. I might just bring some of these in a little bit. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Excuse my fajita chicken belly. Okay. So the jeans are done. I'll just put this down first. Okay, so the jeans are done. All sewn everywhere they need to. Hopefully this is the right width for my legs. I have thicker legs. So hopefully they'll fit. Anyway, try on number 1. Okay, so if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you make jeans into mom jeans or you use any of the tips or darts or whatever I did. Let me know in the comments and yeah, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye!